Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the smartwatch is in pairing mode and the Vivo phone has Bluetooth and location enabled. Once done, keep the devices within about 2 meters so discovery is reliable. You'll also confirm the watch battery is above 20% to avoid interruptions. Now open the phone's Bluetooth device list and watch for the smartwatch name. Tap it when visible. This first step establishes the connection channel the phone and watch will use to exchange settings and data. After initial discovery, install the Smartwatch Companion app on your Vivo phone. This app manages data and features, so it's required. Once installed, open the app and grant Bluetooth, location, notifications, and storage permissions so pairing and syncing work properly. Inside the app, follow the on-screen pairing flow. Select your watch model, approve the pairing request, and enter the PIN or confirm the code shown on both screens if asked. Making these grants ensures the watch can sync health data, receive alerts, complete setup by letting the app finish initial sync and configure watch preferences like notifications, do not disturb, and fitness goals. Once synced, test a call or notification and check sensors, heart rate or steps, to confirm data flow. If something fails, make sure background activity is allowed for the app. Then reboot the phone and watch and retry pairing. If that still fails, reset Bluetooth on the phone or factory reset the watch as a last step. This troubleshooting keeps you moving forward without losing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.